Alright, so welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 8 ways you can actually make money from Canva in 2023. So as we all know that Canva is actually a design tool, but more than just a design tool, Canva can actually help us to make a lot of money on the internet. If you are looking to make money on the internet, looking for something to actually start on the internet, Canva is something you should be using to actually make money online. So I'm going to share with you 8 ways that you can actually make money on Canva, and I'm going to share just not the 8 ways. I'm going to tell you practical steps that you can actually take today after watching this video to start implementing and start getting results. Without further ado, let's just dive right straight into the video. So basically, the first way is you can actually make money on Canva is by selling Canva templates. So as you can see right now on the screen, I'm on canva.com. So when you go to canva.com, it's going to tell you to sign up. If you've not signed up an account before, it's going to tell you to sign up with Google, or it's going to tell you to sign up by opening an account. So because I've logged in already, my email is logged into this particular account, I'm already signed in into this account. So the first way is by selling Canva templates. So what do I mean by selling Canva templates? So you sell Canva templates on different sites like ETS, ESTY, Creative Market, and also on your own website if you own a website. So where do you see this Canva template? You see this place here. When you go to canva.com, when you go to canva.com, you come to templates. So Canva has tons and tons of templates on different subject matters, on different branding, on different topics. You can just come here and pick different templates and tweak them to actually get the best result for anything you are trying to do or you are trying to achieve. And then you can repurpose all these templates and sell them on the internet. You can sell them on ESTY sites, on Creative Market. This is how Creative Market looks like. So you go to Creative Market. So when you search Creative Market on Google, you see creativemarket.com. So you can be able to sell. It's an online marketplace where you can sell graphics, you can sell content. So bring your creativity ideas to life. So you can come here, you can join. You see here, join. So when you click here, you join, you open an account, you can list your graphics designs here. See, can you see? This design is selling for $28. This design is selling for $17. This design is selling for $15. You can see different designs and you can sell those designs. So you can sell those designs. You can also sell these designs on Etsy. You can sell different stuff too on LC, and you can create all of this content on Canva. This is one good thing about Canva. You can create all of these templates. Once you create it you can come here and pick a template for anything you want to do. Pick a template and then tweak it to say, let's say this particular template now is an Instagram post. You pick it, you customize it. If you want to customize it, and then you can take the particular template and come to creativemarket.com and you can sell them. Sell your designs and reach millions of buyers to promote other artists or Creative Market to earn cash. Can you see? So Canva, the first way is by, you can take this particular template, tweak it to anyhow you want. Canva have editing apps, in-house editing apps that can allow you to edit it on Canva. So you can actually take this particular template, like I said, and start selling it on Etsy and also on Creative Market. So the next way you can actually make money on Canva is by being a social media manager. So being a social media manager means that you help people to manage their accounts. You create content for them. You create content for them. You reply to DMs, reply to comments, and you doing all of these things require you to have to create designs. So you can come here, being a social media manager, you can create content, social media content, graphics, and make money with it. You get employed as social media manager. Your job role is to create graphic designs. You can come on Canva and start creating social media posts. You can see templates on social media. If I go to social media, I can see ideas and templates and see tons and tons of things that I can use as a social media graphic designer to actually make money online. So you can see different kind of social media posts. I can pick anyone I want to actually create content on and then tweak the graphics, and I have a graphics already. So you can offer your service as a social media manager, and then create graphics design for your content using Canva. The next one is to be a seller on Etsy. I just showed you that you can use Etsy to sell anything. So all you just have to do is to sign in. If you don't have an account, to create an account. You can actually sell products here. You can be a seller here on Etsy, and then come here, see sell on Etsy. You become a seller on Etsy. You follow the prompt, and you can be able to create various designs, like wall art, like printable designs, and sell them here on Etsy. You can see other designs that like on Etsy, personal gifts, ideas, wedding gifts for him, anniversary gifts. So you just come here, you can create like wallpaper art on Canva and sell them. Invitation letter, you can sell them here on Etsy.com. So Canva has a lot of features that can help you make your designs look great, and they're going to look unique, and you can sell them on Etsy. The fourth way is to actually become a content creator. So if you're a blogger or a YouTuber, just like me, I use Canva to actually create my thumbnails, create my graphics. I also use it to incorporate infographics, create carousels, to be able to grab the attention of my reader or my viewer, or anybody that is actually listening to me, that's actually listening to my content, either reading or watching my videos, can be able to be engaged and actually love the content. So you can use Canva to actually create anything you want to do. Let's say I want to create YouTube thumbnails. I just come here and click on YouTube thumbnails. I search for YouTube thumbnails, and it's going to show me different templates that I can be able to use to create content on as a content creator on Canva. So like I said, you just come to the search bar, you go to the search bar and you search for YouTube thumbnails, and when it opens up, you pick any thumbnails and tweak it to your taste, and use it to actually incorporate in your own designs. If you are using to create graphics design for your blog post, you can also use Canva to actually do that. My network is slow. So you can see the YouTube thumbnail templates. You can just come, they have different templates, and when you are using to create YouTube content, you can just pick anyone and tweak for your designs, and you have a template. If you're a blogger, blog articles, you come here and pick designs. You have a post. You have a post you can actually use. The next one is to be a freelance designer. So a freelancer is someone that works from the comfort of their home. They do stuff online. So basically, if you are a freelancer, you can actually, and you're a designer, you can actually use Canva to get gigs on Upwork, and use Canva to deliver your designs. So you can use Upwork as a platform. You can go to upwork.com. When you go to upwork.com, you can be able to register as a freelancer and then get gigs. Or if you send code DMC, you can see, you can register here how work should work. So you get to be able to register as a freelancer, be a designer, sign up here, become a designer, a graphic designer here. You can also use Fiverr. You can use Fiverr.com and also become a freelancer there. And when you just register as a freelancer, you can be able to get gigs and deliver those gigs, using Canva to design them and deliver to your clients. Nobody's going to know that you use Canva to design it. So it is actually very easy because it's a drag and drop platform. The next thing you want to do to make money on Canva is to be a t-shirt designer. So if you're a t-shirt designer, you can see here on Design Spotlight, you click on t-shirt. So can you see t-shirt? On print, so this is t-shirt. You can become a t-shirt designer. This is actually called print on demand. I'm going to make a video explaining how to become a t-shirt designer, how to make money. So you design, customize, and print your own t-shirt. You can customize. You can see different templates that they have, different designs on t-shirts. You can take them, tweak them, and use it to get inspiration. Design anything you want to design, and then put this particular design you've actually made on print on demand websites like Redbubble, like Teespring, like Printful. You can come on Printful.com. So Printful allows you to be able to sell your print on demand design. So on Fiverr, you can be a freelancer, like I said before. On Printful.com, and there's also Redbubble. redbubble.com. There is also teespring.com. I'm going to make a video explaining how to actually do print on demand. And if you want me to make that video, just click on the comment section that Bright make more video on graphics on Canva. I'm going to make it so you can see Redbubble. You can come here and sell. That's all you just have to do is to sign up, and then you can be able to sell all of your designs. You can use Printful to sell your customized products online, designs. I'm going to create a content specific for this particular reason. I'm going to show you how to be a t-shirt designer, how to do print on demand, and how to use all of these platforms to actually leverage and get traffic, and also how to run ads to get the best results. So if you want to keep seeing content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it also, so more people can be able to reach and see this video. Also help me by saying Canva on the comment section so people can be able to see this particular video. I'm going to appreciate it. And the last one is actually to become a resume writer. You can come to Canva. You can see Canva here. When you go here, you can see that you are able to create you can be able to write resumes, help people to write resumes, and you can use it as a business. So people pay you to write resumes for them. People are looking for people that can help them to write resumes. You just come here on Canva. Canva has templates that can help you to write resumes. All you just have to do is to go on the templates and click on resumes. So when you come here, you search for resumes. Canva is going to show you tons and tons and tons of designs that has to do resume, and you can start becoming a resume writer, getting gigs, writing resumes for people, and start earning money. This is one thing that is very, very unique about Canva. They give you a lot of features, give you access to a lot of things that can help you to start making money online. And the last one is actually being a visual assistant. So a visual assistant, what do you do as a visual assistant? Basically, you help your clients who are in need of Canva to actually help them manage that. So this is actually how the resume writer looks like. So if you're a resume writer, you just come here, you pick templates from Canva, and then you create resumes, and earn more money, earn gigs, make a lot of money from it. And like last one I said, the last one is actually called being a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is just like being an office assistant. What you're going to be doing is to help clients who need help with their Canva designs. You can actually create designs and help them to manage their own Canva account and organize their designs. So that's basically what you're going to be doing as a virtual assistant. Just like an office assistant, you help with the run arounds on Canva, like doing their design, manage their accounts, organizing their accounts. And this is actually the 8 ways you can actually make money on Canva. So if you actually like this video, you'll be able to gain content, tell me which particular skill sets you are going to be implementing in the comment section. Are you going to be a resume writer? Are you going to be using Canva for social media? Are you going to be selling the Canva template? Are you going to use it for your content creation skills? Just tell me anyone you're going to be implementing in the comment section, and also like this video, share this video, and also let me leave a comment so that I'm able to keep making videos like this and also help me to reach more people. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.